Hi children, good morning. How you all are? I hope you all might be fine. And today we are starting with chapter 23rd, conjunction. And today is the date. Today is the 1st February. 1st February 22. Okay, we are starting with conjunction. Conjunction is a joining word. Is joining word which joins the words or sentences. Let's read how the conjunction and does that. I like reading and cooking. They are joining two words. Okay, I bought pink ribbon and some silver paper. I met Surbhi and Meena. Two things are there, two same things are there. We are joining with and. Now, use of conjunction and, but, or, so, for, nor, yet. Now see. First of all, we will study of and. Use and to join the following. Two words of the same part of speech. जब दो सेम चीज़ें हैं उसको जोड़ने के लिए हम and का यूज़ करते हैं. A noun and a pronoun. एक noun and pronoun भी हो सकता है. Suppose Neena and I went to school together. Two sentences that have the same idea or a connecting idea. सेम आइडिया हो या कनेक्टिंग आइडिया हो तो भी हम उसको एंड से ऐड करते हैं. द गर्ल वेंट टू द मार्केट एंड बॉट अ पेयर ऑफ शूज. यूज बट टू जॉइन एनी टू ऑपोजिट आइडियाज. अब बट में कहा आता है जब ऑपोजिट आइडियाज होते हैं. चॉकलेट्स आर स्वीट बट लेमन्स आर सोर. इट इज ब्राइट ड्यूरिंग द डे बट डार्क एट नाइट. We use or to give a choice or an alternative items or idea. You can drink milkshake or have orange juice. We can go to Chennai or Nainital during the vacation. We use so to show the result or the consequences of something. We needed a few things for our project, so we went to the market. My mother was very tired today, so father and I cooked dinner. We use for to explain. For means reason के लिए, किसी reason के लिए. I went there for a party. I went there for dinner. Suppose है ना. Then nor means किसी के लिए भी नहीं. I don't like summer nor I like the rainy season. He does not play tennis nor does he play badminton. We use yet to show a contrasting ideas. जब contrasting ideas देने हैं तब हम yet का यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे नेहा वॉज टायर्ड येट शी वॉकड ऑल द वे होम. वो थकी हुई थी फिर भी वो घर तक गई वॉक करके. मदर वॉज हंग्री येट शी वेटेड फॉर द फादर फॉर द डिनर. मदर को भूख थी लेकिन फिर भी उसने फादर का डिनर पर वेट किया. नाउ यूज ऑफ सम मोर कंजक्शन. वी यूज बिकॉज टू शो द रीज़न फॉर समथिंग. कुछ रीज़न है कुछ कारण है तो हम बिकॉज का यूज़ करते हैं. We took Megha to the doctor because she had fever. Mohan could not attend the event because he was not in the town. We use since to refer the time. जब हम time के बात करते हैं तो since का use करते हैं. My arm hurts since I have fractured it. Many changes have taken place since she left the institute. Now as. We use as to show reason or when something is being done. अब एस का यूज़ हम कैसे करते हैं. किसी पर्टिकुलर रीज़न के लिए हम एस का यूज़ करते हैं. वी वेंट टू स्कूल अर्ली एज वी हैड टू कंडक्ट द मॉर्निंग असेंबली. हमको स्कूल जल्दी जाना था क्योंकि हमें असेंबली कंडक्ट करनी थी. एज द टीचर एंटर्ड द क्लासरूम एवरीवन स्टॉप टॉकिंग. वी यूज़ ऑल्दो एंड दो टू शो अ कॉन्ट्रास्ट इन आइडिया. ऑल्दो और दो का यूज़ भी कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग आइडिया में ही होता है. Although the sweater was thick, it was not very warm. Though we reached the auditorium early, we could not get good seat. देखो यहाँ पे हो रहा है कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग बात हो रही है. इसके लिए हमने although और दो का यूज़ किया है. Now we use while to show two action happening at the same time. while का यूज़ कब करते हैं जब दो एक्शन सेम टाइम पे हो रहे हैं. I sat beside my ailing grandmother while she slept. The teacher was teaching while the students were listening to her. अब until. We use until to refer the something that would continue up to a particular point. until का यूज कैसे करते हैं देखो, you may not get to know your true potential until you try. She told me to wait in the park until she comes. अब that we use that to show the purpose, किसी चीज का purpose है तो हम that का यूज करते हैं. Beena promised her mother that she would keep her room clean. People told us that his family would be moving out soon. Next, we use after to show two action with one happening later the another. My mother left for office after I had gone to school. There was a lot of excitement after the principal had shared the news. Next, we use before to show two action. Before means किसी चीज को पूरा करने से पहले जो एक्शन होता है, दैट इज जहां पर हम बिफोर का यूज करते हैं. आई हैड फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क बिफोर माई फ्रेंड्स केम ओवर टू प्ले. शी वॉज ऑलरेडी कन्विंस्ड बिफोर आई सेड एनीथिंग. We use so that to show that the second part of sentence is the result of first one. Megha ran to the bus stop so that she could catch the bus. I woke up early so that I could reach the station on time. We use unless to show the result of something that may happen if something else is not done. Unless इसमें किसका यूज होता है, जब अगर कोई चीज होने वाली होती है लेकिन नहीं हुई है. My father said that he would not take me to the theme park unless I completed all my holiday homework. He will not do this unless we motivate him. Okay. Now exercise. Underline the conjunction in these sentences. Suraj likes to play cricket and football, but Aditi likes to play tennis. So, and but. Unless you work hard, you can't score well. Unless. Ayan is honest, so everyone trusts him so. Although the sky was overcast with dark clouds, it did not rain. Although we use this idea to building for parking two-seaters for. She became sad and went out of the room, and so that no one could see her cry. Fill in the blanks. Although there was a big sale, not many people went to store. He was on leave because he was unwell, so his classmates noted down his homework. My mother was ironing clothes when father came home. I like to play cricket, but I am not good at it. We will miss the train unless we are hungry. I have not been to Kerala since we moved to Mumbai. You should finish your work before your friends come because you will be tired after they leave. The sun shines during the day, although the moon and the stars shine at the night. Now fill in the blanks. Correct conjunction. Kusum does her work slowly, but she is very thorough. These plants will die unless we water them daily. Chintu was late for the school because one of the tires of his bicycle got punctured. My mother sat with him while I did my project work. A teacher took us to the butterfly park so that we could see the colorful butterflies. We ran to the bus stop as we knew we were late for our school bus. Harish did not understand my science project fully, but he helped me by getting me the information I needed. Meena does not read books, but she likes to read the newspaper every day. Okay. So in this, what you have to do? Exercise A. Exercise A you have to write. Okay. Then exercise B. Exercise C. And till exercise C. Exercise D we will do on next. Until here you have to complete. Okay. Have a nice day children. Bye bye. Take care.